guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. This is Summer. Today, I'm going to introduce the luxury expensive carbon fiber package for Bentley. This is for Bentley Continental GT, and we can find the carbon fiber kits. Why I don't do much video because it's really hard to make the videos. I need to much more carefully than the practice ones because it's really easy to get a scratch on the surface. All the carbon fiber we make, it's a dry carbon fiber ones we can find from my videos and photos. That's all shining and high quality one. So this Bentley GT carbon fiber kits, including these parts on my desk. It's coming with the rear spoil, the rear diffuser, the front lip, and the side skirt. This all made by dry carbon fiber ones. So from the videos, just to introduce you guys what included in the package and what's the material of this package. It's not wet carbon fiber, it's dry carbon fiber, and it's fit for the car after 2018 years to 2020. And we can find the back side of the rear front lip. I need to do much more careful. It's dry carbon fiber. You can find it's light and it looks good for the back side. We can find this is really nice quality, and the installation way is not the sticker one. It's need to use the screws. We can find there comes a hose to fix with screws. This is use the screws to fix on the cars. So this is the front lip. We can check the details. You can compare with the ones in the market to see why the price is different. So this is front lip, and this is the rear diffuser. We can also check the back side of the rear diffuser. Make the camera much, and we can find the back side. For me, the easiest way to compare the quality difference of the carbon fiber dry one and the wet one, I like to check the back side. Also, the market one, the wet carbon fiber sometimes is also good, but dry carbon fiber it lasts much lighter. And the front surface, we can find the painting it's gross, and it's the pattern is much more nice. And this is the side skirt. The side skirt we can see is coming with the screws to fix on the front. So if you have the car and want to upgrade it after a few years driving, because the new model 2023 is coming, so for the older cars, it's time to upgrade and make it much luxurious. No matter it's a dealership or the used car shops, or you are the car owners, if you have interest in the dry carbon fiber luxury and car models, just feel free to contact us. By the way, we also have the wheel rims for this Bentley car model. So if you have any questions or interest, don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And for more information, I will be here and waiting for your request and be your partner in 23 New Year. So thank you very much for follow Summer Auto Parts and keep attention on our carbon fiber parts products. So thank you very much, and see you next video. Bye bye.